Hi folks, today I am bringing apple cinnamon dessert. It is very wonderful, delicious and mouth-watering recipe, and it takes only few ingredients which is available in your kitchen only. So let's start. In a bowl, I will take about 70 gram of biscuit. See the marigold biscuit kind of thing, and I will break all these biscuits. Around 10 to 12 biscuit is there. I will keep aside and see, this is the local kind of the apple. You can take any kind of apple. Here I am taking about 200 gram of apple. See the grater to the bigger one na? I will peel and grate all the apple. So around 200 gram of apple I grated it, and now I will cook it, right? In a pan should be thick bottom pan. So I will keep all the apple and add 2 tablespoons of sugar and about half tablespoon of cinnamon powder, and see 1 tablespoon of butter. Okay, now 10 to 12 minutes I will cook on the medium flame. So it will be caramelized and will be dry and juicy also. See, our apple is ready. Now I will add with the crumbled biscuit. So mix it properly. See, now in the pudding pan I will take this caramelized apple and biscuit mix. The batter will be set, right? Now in a bowl again I am taking 2 tablespoons cornstarch and 1 cup of milk. About 200 ml of milk is there, and mix thoroughly. There should not be any lump there, so mix well. Now chop some apple. Here I am taking about 100 gram of apple chunk. In a thick bottom pan again I am taking butter and diced apple. Saute it and add 2 tablespoons of sugar and again half tablespoon cinnamon powder. Mix thoroughly. See, the sugar is getting melted. So at this stage, around 5 to 6 minutes after, I will add the cornstarch milk. Now at the medium flame I will cook it, and see, after 5 to 6 minutes it becomes thicky and creamy. So at this stage switch off the flame and add to the pan. See, tap properly so the air bubbles should not be there. And now I am decorating with pista, desiccated coconut. So you can take at your desired dry fruits or you can skip it. Now place it there only, and after some time when it becomes cool, keep in refrigerator. After 2 hours, see, I am cutting it. So you can cut it in your desired shape. See, the thick, moisture and flavorful pudding is ready. So try it in your weekend and write back to me. If you like please subscribe my channel so that I would be motivated, and thanks for supporting me. Please don't forget to like and share. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.